Hello, all the viewers of Taken Target. First of all, I want to thank Taken Target for his great initiative, helping out lots of students who are having interviews with any of the companies. So, my name is Orko Mujumdar, and I have a TCS interview on 3rd of December for the Ninja profile, and I am about to share my experience about that. So, first of all, my interview started at around 10:30 am on 3rd December. The HR ma'am asked me to introduce myself. Means before that there are that normal verification check and all that, but he asked me to introduce myself. Okay, but before I introduce myself, I just asked them, ma'am, can I ask you a question? For that he said, yeah. I said that, ma'am, can I share with you my current resume, as the old resume is very out to date and lots of ads on are there after the previous one. The previous one, I mean to say that the resume that I have uploaded in the next step portal while the registration process, right? For that, all the three interviewers said, yeah, yes, sure, that will be very helpful for us. Please share your current resume in the chat section. I sent them my current resume and I started with the introduction.
I started with by telling my name, then I told them about my college, and from that only I shifted to tell them about my projects.
I told them about my project, everything. Means I have done three projects on Android app development. Okay, I have made a three project. First one is a Fire Chat, which is basically a WhatsApp like chat application, and a COVID-19 statistic app, and a restaurant searching app with Zomato API. I told them everything about my project. I told them what are the technologies I have used, what is the programming language, and everything I told them in the introduction itself. Then the HR ma'am asked the technical interviewer to ask me question. The first question that he asked, means not a question, he said, uh, as per your resume, I can see that you are very good in development. Okay, so is there any way to check, or anywhere means I can see that what are the project you have done, means how the app is looking or something, means if you have in your mobile or something like that. For that I say, yeah, sure. Actually, if you click the name of my project on the resume, all the name of the projects are clickable. And if you click on that, you will go to my GitHub page and you can check it from there. For that, after that, he take 2 minutes around to check. I think he check all the projects in the GitHub itself, and after 2 minutes he say, okay, Arka, I have checked your GitHub profile, it is very impressive. So then he asked me a question that, what are the other programming languages you know? I say C and Java. He asked me all the basics about Java, like OOPS concept, four pillars of OOPS, abstract classes, what is interface, and I answered them all because these are like I know that this was the going. This will be the question he will ask me if I say my strong point is Java and C. Then he shifted to C. He asked me basic question about C, that is C a object oriented language or not. Then he asked what is pointer, difference between structure and classes, and what is far pointer, dangling pointer, and all the question I answered very well because I prepared them. Then he shifted back to my project. He asked me some basic concept about the Android, asked me in which IDE I have used to develop Android apps, and like all that, all the basics about my project and Android basically. Then he said that, yeah, that's all from the technical round. Uh, he then hand over me to the MR round. Then MR round asked me, the first question he asked, I can see you are very good in app development, right, Arka? So why TCS? Means why not any other company which are only for app development purpose? So for that I was not prepared, right, that he is going to ask me such type of question, but I somehow managed and I answered them. Sir, it is not like that I just want to be an app developer. At the end, I know coding, and with that, I want to be a software engineer, not only a particular developer. I want to develop Android app, web apps, anything. Means with the help of my coding knowledge, I want to develop anything. And for that, I think that TCS can help me out to excel my career and make me a software engineer, not only an app developer. Actually, sir, the thing is, in the COVID-19 situation, I started to learn Android as I have to start my journey from somewhere, right? So I started with Android app development. So I made a few projects on Android, and I also got an internship on Android app development. But in near future, I will also be working on web dev, Python, and also an ML project. After that, he asked me, "Okay, Arka, I am giving a hypothetical situation. Just think that you are working on a project in our company and it's midnight and you have to submit the project by tomorrow to a client. And at the midnight, you are like debugging you are checking your code and you face a bug. So, what will be your approach to solve that?" So, I told them, again, it is a like new question to me. I wasn't prepared for that. So, with my common sense, I answered them that as it is midnight, I can't call my seniors, right? So I can like call any of my friend who is working in TCS, obviously, and I can ask them to help me out, or I can like also refer to Stack Overflow because if right now when I am making a project or doing something and I face a bug, I generally refer to Stack Overflow. So this is one of the approach I can also use. But if all these situations is not till is not helping me out, then I can like send a text message to my senior that, "Sir, here is the problem and I am facing a bug, so can you just call me whenever you are free, or whenever when you have just seen the message." So he will get back to me, right? Whenever I see the message, he will get back to me. So in this way we will tackle this problem. For that is a okay, Arga, okay. Then after that question, that MR sir again asked me about my internship and how I am managing my teamwork and what is your role in my in means in the project that I'm working on in the internship. So I told them about my teamwork and all the work that I'm doing in my internship and all that. Then this way my MR round finished. Then he handed over me to the HR again. Then my HR asked me about my weakness. What is my weakness? So for that I told them my weakness is food and work. Then I further explained, means sometimes I am so busy in my work or so much dedicated towards my work, I forgot to eat. So when I feel very hungry, I end up eating anything, not thinking about my health. And I think this is means this should not be the case, right? Because we should also think about my about the health also. So that is my weakness, ma'am. Then he asked me, "Are you able to? Means, are you comfortable with relocation?" For that, I obviously say yes. At last, he checked my all the mark sheet, and then he said, "Okay, Orca, your interview is over. You can leave now." But I interrupted them and I asked them, "Ma'am, can I please ask you a question?" So for that, yeah, the HR ma'am said, "Yeah, yeah, sure." So I asked them, "Man, can you please hear me a feedback about how I perform in my interview?" For that, HR ma'am refer me to the technical round interviewer. He said, "Can you please give him a feedback?" So for that, he told me, "See, you are good in development, and that is what we look in an ideal candidate for TCS. And you have performed well in your programming knowledge also, means programming thing also. So don't worry, keep up your good work, and we will get back to you as soon as possible." And in this way, my interview ended.